We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer, telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in turn, we receive incredible loyalty. See? And you'll be amazed. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.